We are back in the kitchen for this week's edition of Cooking with Candi. What do you have for us today, Candi?
Well, Reese, today we are making foam block cakes.
Ooh, sounds great.
They are. And we'll be using the exact same clean green recipe SARCAN uses to transform the foam packaging you recycle into new useful products.
Wait, that is actual foam. I thought this was a cooking segment.
Well, what we need to do is take the foam that has been recycled at SARCAN and remove the air by cranking up the heat, which densifies it by 45 times. So we do have to cook it.
We're not going to eat it?
Of course not, Carrie.
Oh, thank goodness.
We densify it to ship it. That way, SARCAN can save on greenhouse gas emissions by reducing our shipping, which is important because these are sent all the way to Quebec, where the blocks are used to make the picture and window frames in our homes and our businesses.
Wow, that sounds like a foam run.